long gaps in siblings. Sometimes there is a big gap in elder one and the younger one, and consequently the younger one is mostly pampered and becomes the favorite of the whole family. The elder one feels neglected, not always, as we are trying to understand the different adaptations in different situations. The smaller one is most of the times excused, and the elder one becomes the victim of the mistakes that was never committed by him. And this may help us to find the feeling, the reactions, and the adaptation of the elder child. Sometimes there is a situation where there are two elder sisters, and after a long gap, some years later, a baby boy has born in the family. Parents teach their son in an expensive school for a better education and spend miserably for their daughter's education. This stimulates the ego of a boy, and however he may appear composed at school, he may beat his sisters at home and may become arrogant and dictatorial. The behavior of the boy and his sister can be analyzed and evaluated. So, in such cases where there is a long gap in two siblings, you have to look after such cases very carefully. You have to see that if the elder one is getting neglected and that feeling of orphan is coming in that children or not. In such cases, the elder one is neglected and the younger one is getting all the attention, because after such a long gap the younger ones becomes the most pampered child in the family, and he is getting all the attention. So in such cases, sometimes and it is not compulsory that each and every elder children feels the same, that he is neglected or he is not getting the attention, or there is the feeling of orphan in that elder one. It is not compulsory that it will remain or not, and in each and every family it varies according to the situation, according to the adaptation. So you have to analyze the case very properly and very carefully, and then only you have to select the remedy.